Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. So this is a big package. There's a lot of really awesome stuff in it. Of course, you start with just the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is the most advanced DJI Mini drone they've ever made. It has got a lot of really professional quality features built into it and is a great drone. So this is just going to be an unboxing, but we will take a look at a few of the features. You can see you get 3 batteries that are the larger batteries that get up to 45 minutes of flight time. Over here you can see that it's obviously ultralight and foldable. It has omnidirectional active obstacle sensing. It has focus track, waypoint flight, hyperlapses. You can do 4K at 100 frames per second with HDR video. You got 48 megapixel photos and true vertical shooting. Up to a 45-minute flight time, and you've got a flagship 20-kilometer FHD video transmission. And if you flip over to this other side, you're going to see this particular combo pack does come with the DJI RC2 controller, which is awesome because it has a built-in screen, so you don't have to use your phone. So anyway, let's open up the pack so we can see everything that comes in the box. Open up like that. Now you're going to see right away that you get this really nice travel pack to carry everything in. So that's great. Everything is going to fit in there perfectly and be well protected. So let's unzip this, and you can see everything just fits in there perfectly. So this particular Fly More Combo Plus comes with this bag. Here is your controller. And you can see, nice, look at that big screen. You don't have to use your phone, so you can keep your phone free for text, calls, whatever else you need to use it for. And you've got the controller itself. You can see you've got your 2 little controller knobs that screw onto here, but then when not in use, store there. You've got buttons here on the back. I believe these can be customized. You've got scroll wheels here. I think you can customize what those do as well. Then you've got buttons here for recording and camera. Then you've got screen. This is a touch screen with screen controls as well. You've got your little antennas that fold. Really awesome controller. You've got to place the charging spot, and you've got your SD card slot in case you want to record this screen. So really awesome to have this with the DJI, to not have to use your phone, and this just is a full featured controller. So really awesome. Let's check out the other stuff that comes in here. Here you've got your charger, and this is a really cool feature too. I mean, this pack is awesome. Really it is. It's just got the things that it has are not just like random stuff. Sometimes you get a combo pack and it's random stuff that you don't really need. All the stuff that comes in this pack are stuff that's actually useful and good and going to enhance your functionality with this drone, and so that's great. So you can see you've got 2 batteries in here. The other one I believe is already in the drone, because this comes with 3 batteries, and these are not the standard batteries. These are the long distance batteries, so 30 to 45 minutes of flight time depending on weather and stuff. And this is a charger. You put your 3 batteries in here, you plug this in, and then it will charge each of these batteries, and it'll charge them one at a time until they're all fully charged. You've got indicators there. Also has pass-through charging, so you can go out from here into your controller and charge it as well. So one charger could charge it all. That's just great. Really cool that is part of this combo pack. And then here you've got the star of the show. Real quick, I want to make sure there's nothing else. You can see you do have a nice little pocket up here. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's look at this stuff first. Then we'll look at the start of the show. So they're including the cables you need in case you don't already have a million of these cables laying around your house. You've got all the cables you need. You've got a little screwdriver for use. You've got your instruction manual. And then you've got all your extra propellers all in here as well. So all of this stuff, you've got like 3 sets of propellers, so that's really excellent that they include that with this pack. And then, of course, you've got your drone. So let's get this open. Now, you don't just have your drone. It also includes a propeller cover. So you put this on when it's not in use, and it holds your propellers in place and keeps them safe when you're packing them, which is great. Also, you have a gimbal protector. So this goes over the gimbal to protect the gimbal. And again, this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Take that off there. And then take this off. And of course, you got a lot of protective things on here to protect the gimbal for packaging and stuff. But let's get these unfolded so you can see this bad boy when it's all unfolded and ready to go. You can see it folds pretty small, and then it folds out, and there it is. Now you've got cameras, not cameras, but sensors here and here and here and here for the obstacle avoidance, as well as here on the bottom. I believe these two are sensors for that as well. And then I believe this is a sensor for landing, and this is a little LED light that can come on to help light the path if it's dark. When it's landing, you can use that. And then on the back here, you've got your Type-C for charging, whatever battery. There's a battery already plugged in here. And you've got your micro SD card slot for recording your video and stuff. And then, of course, you've got that amazing camera, which is on a gimbal. And this camera is really cool. It can shoot vertical video as well. So if you're shooting specifically for TikTok or something like that, you can shoot like that. But and it's very lightweight. You've got your power button here. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. It's really an amazing pack. Again, it's the DJI Mini 4 Pro, most advanced mini drone DJI has ever made. Really, really awesome. And this particular pack is the Fly More Combo Plus pack. And it is really, really great. Really gives you not just everything you need, but the few extras that are just going to make your whole experience with this drone a lot better. So really excellent combo package from DJI. And yeah, that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.